In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and set up Cursor on Windows. By the end, you'll have Cursor installed, configured to your preferences, and ready to use with all its AI features. Start by opening your web browser and heading to cursor.com. On the homepage, click the Download for Free button for Windows. If nothing starts downloading, check that your browser's pop-up blocker isn't preventing the download, and allow downloads from this site. Your browser may ask you to keep the file or confirm the download. Approve it and wait for the .exe file to finish downloading. Save it somewhere easy to find like your Downloads folder. When the download completes, open the installer by double-clicking the .exe file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, select Yes. The setup wizard will guide you through the process. It's usually best to accept the default install location unless you have a specific reason to change it. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during installation, and consider closing other code editors to avoid any conflicts. During setup, you'll choose your preferred keyboard shortcut style. Pick the one you're most comfortable with, such as VS Code or JetBrains. This ensures common actions feel familiar from the start. Next, select the language you want to use when communicating with the AI inside Cursor. Choose the language you'll naturally type prompts in. You can revisit this later in settings if your needs change. You'll also be asked whether you want to import existing VS Code extensions. If you already use VS Code and rely on certain tools, importing can save time and make Cursor feel instantly familiar. If you're new or want a clean slate, you can skip this and add extensions later from within Cursor. Once you've confirmed your choices, complete the installation and launch Cursor. On first open, you'll be prompted to sign in through your browser. Follow the on-screen link, log in using your preferred method, and allow the app to connect. When the browser confirms success, return to Cursor. Signing in unlocks full features, cloud-backed settings, and any available trials. If the sign-in window doesn't appear, ensure your default browser opens properly and that any privacy or pop-up settings aren't blocking the flow. That's it. Cursor is ready to go. Explore the interface, open a project, and start coding with AI assistants tailored to your preferences. Happy building!